I'm Dan Link here, and we're gonna be opening some stuff, and yeah. Okay, first let's start off with this. Oh yeah, it's all by Crayola, so shout out to Crayola, I guess. Okay. I didn't even, oh wait, I opened it. I was right. Now I have no idea what you do with this. And it comes with a black washable marker. Magic mold. It's moldy magic. That's what it says. I don't know why it's a magic mold. And it's literally just mold. What? Okay, let's use this as our top thing. So we have it on here. Can I use this to color? Oh! I'm coloring it. It's kind of hard. What? What do you do with this? Do you wash it? Do you just? I'm gonna give mine to Face. Yeah. FaceTime. FaceTime. Actually, it looks like a marshmallow. Weird. That rating, I'd give it a 5 out of 10. It's a little weird though. That's all you do with it? Oh, okay. Let's open the next one. I'm gonna go fast. So let's go fast. Yeah. This is just packet. You get color stuff. It's color wizard. Stars on this hat. Yeah. There we go. There, it's a wizard. Wait, you need to give him his wand. There we go. Yeah. Okay, couldn't have done it a lot better. This video is probably gonna be short. This one actually looks really cool from the package. Let's just open this thing. I did not open it right. It is not open still. Ah! I really don't want to rip this. This actually looked really cool. Packaging. Yeah. How do you open this? There we go. This one's gonna be a mess. Okay. Let's open this. So we have this. Let's do a little. What do you? Do we need some air on these? What do you do? Okay, what? What do you do with these? I've literally been writing on it. Okay, I'm gonna dry it. Okay, let's wait a sec. In the lighting, you can see like you can see that smiley face. Can you see it in the lighting right there? I wrote that. I put hard effort into that. I put hard effort into that smiley face. Okay, final package. Let's go. Boom. This one looked really cool. Better than that. Why wasn't it working? I don't know. Why? Okay. That's probably... You can't open it. Yeah. There we go. Okay. How do you open this? Okay, let's do this. See if this works. This still doesn't work. Look it on the package. It looks cool. When I write on it, look at this mess. Look at this. Look at all of that. That's just... God. I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye! Subscribe and like the video.